Infotainment Navigation System makes calculations and defines routes based on information received from different sources. It tracks the vehicle's position using a GPS satellite system. Sensors in the vehicle measure distances that have been driven. It also has detailed map data stored in it to compare the measurement values. SEAT recommends updating navigation data on a regular basis. You can get up-to-date navigation data from your SEAT dealer. The main menu provides access to the main navigation options, such as selecting a new destination, opening a previous or stored destination, selecting a point of interest, and changing navigation settings. Select a new destination by clicking it directly on the map. An address or point of interest can also be entered for a new destination. When an address is entered, the data will gradually limit the search and selection options. If the destination is a point on the map, this is activated by entering the GPS coordinates or by selecting it on the map. Depending on the area information available to it, the navigator will propose 3 route options corresponding to the selectable options: economical, blue, fast, red, and short, orange. Predictive navigation. The navigator includes a predictive navigation option. This option detects routes travelled regularly and stores them on a separate level, even if none of them are active routes to destinations. On the navigation menu's main screen, click the Frequent Routes key on the pop-up window to view your regular routes. During a regular route, the system will propose an alternative route when it receives a traffic report or news of an incident affecting this regular route in order to avoid the traffic problem. Off-road navigation is a purely off-road function that can be used for orientation when driving in non-digitized areas at low speeds. Non-digitized areas are areas that do not have any street or off-road information. Streets, buildings, or natural limits such as mountains and rivers are not detected, although they may be shown on the map. Off-road navigation is not suitable for driving on conventional roads, since features such as one-way lanes or roads and motorway slip roads are not detected. Off-road navigation has the following options: Record begins recording an off-road route. Memory opens a list for selecting a stored off-road route. Exit closes off-road navigation. An off-road route is made up of a chain of stored waypoints. Waypoints can be added to the route by adding marks to the map. Press the selected route on the map and then drag with your finger across the map. The desired route will be modified and a new route calculated. The navigator has a wide variety of settings for fine-tuning many options. These range from route, map viewing and spoken navigation settings to other advanced navigation settings. These settings make it easy to largely customize the navigator to the user's usage and preferences.